When you need good grub so you can get back to the game, walking tacos plus pizza is a twist on game day classics. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to score big and build the perfect za using high-quality ingredients that pack a nutritious punch. Taco pizza. To begin, cook a half pound of 96% lean ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until browned. Drain the beef if needed. Then add 2 tablespoons of siete spicy taco seasoning and 1 can of Hy-Vee diced tomatoes with green chilies. Stir and bring to a boil before reducing the heat and simmering for 10 minutes. Next, on a 12-inch pizza pan, evenly spread 1 cup of siete refried beans over 100% whole grain ultra-thin pizza crust. Then top with the ground beef mixture. Refried beans provide additional protein and fiber to help take the edge off your hunger without ruining your whole game day appetite. After that, sprinkle with 1 cup of Hy-Vee shredded taco cheese and 1 can of drained sliced black olives. Bake the pizza at 400 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Once the pizza is out of the oven, top with shredded lettuce, chopped Roma tomatoes, siete nacho grain-free tortilla chips, and sliced avocado. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And be sure to protect yourself from getting the flu this year by getting your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy. There's no appointment necessary, and you'll earn a 20-cent fuel saver.